In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an equation, a regression equation, for a given set of paired data. And in previous videos, I showed that you could highlight the data in Excel and insert a scatter plot, then right-click and add a trend line. But since then, this still works some of the time. I've learned since then that sometimes students are not able to get this to work depending on their version of Excel or their device. So this version does work, that's how you can get the equation right there. And then the square root of r would, excuse me, the square root of r squared would be r. And then you'd have to just make sure if it's left to right increasing, you would have a positive r value. If it was decreasing left to right, it would be a negative r value. So that still holds some of the time. However, if you're not able to get that to work, you can use the linest function in Excel. So this also works in the Respondus lockdown version of Excel. It's like their own spreadsheet app that will open up any Excel files you link to your tests. And the scatter plot functionality is very limited in that application. So this is a workaround also for when you're using that specific app. And it also works for, I think, on all devices. I haven't seen anywhere that this didn't work. I think this even works in Google Sheets. So what I did after typing in linest and then selecting all the y values, I put a comma, and then I'm going to select all the x values. So that would be your dependent variable second and your independent variable first, or what you suspect to be. So whichever value you plan to be inputting or you plan to think of as your input, your x is going to go in second to this function. And so once you've got that, I messed that up, sorry. You can press enter, and what it's going to do is create two values for you. And the first one is going to be your slope. Okay. And the second one will be the y-intercept, or what we call the starting point when before there's any effect from the input value from the independent variable. And slope in linear regression is usually referred to as the marginal change. So anyways, this first value is going to go in into the box that x is next to, or that's supposed to be the coefficient of x. The marginal change, meaning this is the amount of change we expect to see every time we have 1 unit of change of x, the input variable. And without any effect, without any quantity of x present, we would start at this amount. So in this particular context, this is about annual high temperatures. And so this is basically saying, regardless of a year, any particular year, we would start assuming a high temperature of 2.56. I guess that would be degrees Fahrenheit. Actually, this question could be written better, but we'll assume it's degrees Fahrenheit. And then every time we have 1 year of change, we're going to add, I don't like the context of this question for this problem at all, actually. It's kind of hard to make sense out of it. But anyways, that's how you do it with in Excel. So hope that was helpful.